Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we're still working on this car right here. So guys, we left off of only finishing the radio system, but we're almost done with it. So the radio system is installed. All now we gotta do is connect the wires, put the brackets underneath correctly, and be good to go from there. Alright guys, now it's gonna be the hard task of putting in the headliner. I'm gonna quickly show what we're doing on this side. So we already stuck all the bars in through, and it should be coming in like a carpet. Down here we took them off, so now we have to just place them where they need to go. Also, the radio, it's kind of hard to get to the ignition switch, so what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and create a custom switch for the radio, and also when I'm gonna be installing the RPM gauge, I'm gonna buy a switch for that as well. So whatever we can do right now, that's what we're doing. Let's get on to it. All right guys, went and bought these. Okay guys, so you might be wondering, what the heck am I doing not installing my headliner that I just said I would be installing? Well, the reason is I need like I went for those clips that you just saw, because the back of the headliner has no nails that you just tap in with a flathead screwdriver. So basically I'm just gonna have to, use clips on the back and clip it on. Hopefully it works. I'm just kind of frustrated at this point, because at this point everything should have been done in the car, but painting the wheels would have been the last thing to do. I'm pretty frustrated right now that, that's taking me so long, because I'm trying to get to a car show that's coming up on May 12, and I don't know if I have enough time. Now, you guys might be wondering, hey, that's plenty enough time. It's still over a month. Well, it's not. If you're truck driving and you're gone for most of the time, and then when you come back, that's when you can only work in the car. So basically, guys, I don't know if we'll be able to get it done. Well, guys, wanted to show you. So I forgot to show you how I bracketed it, but I used the original bracket, had to bend the bracket, and so it looks like it's all screwed on. That's the radio. So all I gotta do is fix a switch to the radio, because I don't want to go to the ignition. And for headliner, that's the back, all ready to go, and that's the front. So I'm gonna be working on it slowly. Hopefully soon we can get the other stuff done with it already. Alright guys, so we are done for today. So the only thing what we need to do when we come back is the panel on the doors here, and the panels on this side here and there. Just look at it, how good the interior already looks like with the headliner on there and everything like that. It'll be ready to go soon. And we gotta hook up the radio. And all this is gonna be very easy, because the seats are removable. Very easy. Well guys, I'm tired and dirty, and I'm happy to how much I've actually been able to finish for the day. It's just unbelievable that I was able to finish this much. So literally, what else do I got left to do? I got the door panels and handles and stuff to put back on, and the panels in the back, I have to staple them and do whatever needs to be done with them, and connect the radio with the switch, connect the cigarette lighter power supply with the attached to the radio switch, and attach the RPM gauge. And there's some other little detailed minor things, but we'll work on them once I get back. I'm pretty impressed with how the car looks right now. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2006 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.